Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin 530 with your iPhone. First, make sure your Garmin Edge device is fully charged and powered on. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from your iPhone's App Store. This free app is essential for managing your device. Finally, navigate to your iPhone settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, open the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside the app, tap on the three lines or dots to open the menu, then select Garmin Devices. From there, choose Add Device and scroll through the list until you find and select your Edge 530. This tells the app what device you're trying to connect. With your Garmin 530 selected, the app will guide you through the final steps. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on your Garmin Edge device's screen. Carefully enter this code into the prompt on your iPhone. After entering the code, confirm the connection on both your iPhone and the Garmin device. This handshake ensures a secure and stable link between the two. Once paired, verify the connection within the Garmin Connect app. Your Edge 530 should show as connected. You can then sync your device to transfer ride data, courses, and settings. If you encounter any issues, such as a failed connection, try restarting both your iPhone and your Garmin device. Sometimes, simply toggling Bluetooth off and on again on your iPhone can resolve minor glitches. Enjoy your connected rides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.